Hi and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to take care of your battery on Samsung Galaxy A52. So, let's go and open settings. Then you have to find battery and device care. Pick a battery. And from there, you can enter power saving mode to limit the amount of battery drained over time. Then enter background usage limits and enable this option to put unused apps to sleep. Let's go back and enter more battery settings. Here you can enable option of adaptive battery, and also you can enable fast charging so that your battery will charge faster in the future. And that's actually everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye and have a nice day.